Hello everyone, today let's talk about the TG oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and the size is internal diameter is 25, external diameter is 45 and the single is 10. This oil seal, it has many following features. The first one is organized at a low temperature, more wear resistance and high temperature, good pressure resistance, and good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, tinted spring and tinted skeleton. And this is a shifter oil seal applicable to heavy truck. This is a TG oil seal. We also can provide the customers the service. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. And I also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.